Carol Padgett in the Mega Systems booth. I'm with Rich Anders, sales manager, and we're at WFX 2010. Rich, tell me about, you've got a lot here in your booth. Tell me about some of the new products that you have here.
Well, basically all of it's pretty new. As you can see behind us, we have the video panel, the LED panel. That's new to us. It has a better pitch than we've had in the past, and it's designed to go inside and outside. So we're seeing some feedback on that's pretty good. We also have a new line of moving head fixtures called the PR line. We're the exclusive North American distributor, so we're pretty happy about that. And then also showing our control wing and our lighting control software, which is designed specifically for churches.
Okay, that's great. When you're developing these products, I can tell you're doing a lot with church user in mind. How do you specifically go about making sure you're in touch with the church market, that you're listening to the techs who are going to use your products?
It's actually occurred over time, and kind of through the show, actually. We've met with churches and they tell us what they need, and because we develop the software, for example, we can change it whenever we want. It'll never go out of style. We can always update it. We have churches tell us, I'd rather have the color palette be like this, and okay, no problem. So we get a lot of feedback first, because it costs money, to put something together. And we do a lot of, we're in Texas, there's a lot of churches in Texas, so obviously we get a lot of feedback from home.
That's great. Now I know with the church market too, you probably run into a wide gamut of people, some that are very professional and know what your equipment is about and can pretty much walk up to it and know all the questions and how to use it, and then others that are volunteers and really don't know much about it at all. How do you support the churches? How do you help them with that broad range of needs?
Well, you said it at first, and this is a word we use a lot. It's called volunteer proof. So we try to make our products volunteer proof, so that anybody, literally with a little bit of training, can run a light show as crazy as all of this, or put it all together with very little training. However, we also have extensive training for the tech heads. Want to come out to the factory, get certified, we'll take care of them, and crack their brain open and give them all the info they need. But the idea is that in general, we want it to be volunteer proof. We want it to be, once we're work with a customer, get them set up, it's pretty easy.
That's good. Let me ask you another question.
Sure.
We see you over and over at WFX.
Yes.
We love that. What keeps you coming back year after year?
It's been a great market for us. In these economic times, the one constant has been the church market. And so not only that, they're easier to deal with, friendlier group of folks, and it's the return on our investment into it, doing the shows has been so good that it's one of the few shows we still do no matter what. I mean, we may not do next year's LDI show in Orlando, but we'll be
okay.
Dallas.
Good. You get calls after the shows.
We do. We get lots of calls, lots of follow-up. It's great. It's really cool. There's kind of a thing happening in the church market where, all these churches are moving to more of a professional sound and lighting setup. And, we're here. We've been here now, doing it for them. They trust us. So our business is growing in that market. So we want to keep it there.
Great. Thank you. I'm Carol Padgett, and this is Rich Anders, and we're live at WFX.